Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to clean the chicken. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's start. As you see, I have here some pieces of chicken. I washed it with cold water. Get rid of the fat on it and the extra pieces that you don't need. We also gonna need a cup of flour, white flour, half cup of salt, vinegar, and some sliced of lemon. First, we're gonna add the flour and the salt over the chicken, and we're gonna rub the chicken with the mixture like you see in the video. After that, wash the chicken with a cold water. Then in a bowl, put a cold water, add over it 2 spoons of white vinegar, some salt, 2 spoons of flour, the lemon slice, mix all together, then add the chicken in the mixture. We're gonna leave the chicken in the mixture at least 2 hours in the fridge. And finally, this is our chicken. Very clean with good smell. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye.